Today on Ham Radio Q&A, I'm going to take you on a tour of my HF portable operating kit, so please keep watching for more. Hi, I'm Michael, KB9VBR, your host for Ham Radio Q&A. I'm on a mission to inspire and educate the amateur radio community, so if this is your first time watching, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Well, today we're at Pattison State Park in northwestern Wisconsin. Pattison is located just outside of the twin ports of Superior, Wisconsin and Duluth, Minnesota. And this state park is known for having the highest waterfall in the state and also the third highest waterfall east of the Rocky Mountains, Big Manitou Falls. So it's really popular attraction for the area. But when we go out camping, one of the things I like to do is to take my portable HF kit. And I thought I'd take you on a tour today of some of the things I bring when I'm going to operate out here, be it a park or a field day or some other location where I want to set up some portable HF. Well, the basis of the kit is this sling bag. Purchased this on Amazon. Links to all of the products that I'm going to show you can be found in the video description below. I like this case because it's well padded, has plenty of pockets, so just digging in on the outside pocket. Carry some things like a pen, a notepad for taking notes, logging, a short piece of coax for the tuner. I always carry extra fuses in a little plastic case. For any of your power cables, you're going to want to have at least one extra set of fuses, just in case something goes wrong in the field and you can keep going. Opening the next pocket up, we have more power cords. This power cable for the transceiver. I put Anderson power poles on all of my plugs just to make that process easier of connecting and disconnecting. I got a second power cable here. This one has got a cigarette adapter on it and a power pole on the other end. One of the batteries I use has the cigarette lighter accessory port as my as the power connection, so that's handy there. I also do carry a second power cable here with just some ring terminals. If I'm going to connect it to another battery, you can connect directly to that or to a electric power supply, a switching or a linear power supply, and then the power pole connectors on the other end. Next up, I've got a little case here that has just some accessories like barrel connectors, BNC to PL259 adapters. I've got a handy little power pole polarity checker. It's got a power pole on one end and then it's got a little green and a red on the other, so you can check the polarity of your power poles if you're connecting them or if you just want to make sure that there is power running through the cables. And moving on to the interior pocket, to the meat of our kit, I have got, of course, the rig itself. And I keep this rig protected in a Velcro, foam and Velcro wrap. I found this online. It's made by Domke. There's other brands out there, but this one fits really nice. The transceiver, which is the Yaesu FT891, works great in the field. Some people don't like it because it's a little bit more power hungry than, say, some of the other brands, but I really like its portability. So there's that. And next up, I do carry a portable antenna tuner. I picked this up at a ham fest many years ago. It's the MFJ 945C. I think their current model is the 945E as an Echo travel tuner, and works well, you know, if I'm using like a wire antenna or a dipole antenna. And then also I keep my antenna analyzer in the kit too. This is the Rig Experts AA600, but I like that one because I do a lot of VHF, UHF work with it, but also does all of the HF bands too. And this is super handy for adjusting your antenna, finding that resonant point. And I'm just going to move this aside. For antennas, what I usually bring with me is the Wolf River Coils Silver Bullet 1000. This will do 10 through 80 meters. Have an extendable whip antenna. This one goes out to about 12 or 15 feet, I think. It's the MFJ 1979. Works really good with the coil there. Carry some extra wire for the counterpoise. Of course, there's coax in here, and then also this little device. It's got the 3/8 by 24 mount on the one end. It's SO239 on the other, and then a screw adjuster with some claws so that you can attach this to just about any surface, like a little pole or a stake or a tripod or something like that. Super convenient when you're out in one of those wild situations. And then finally, in my kit, I also do carry a 40 meter dipole antenna. I'm not going to pull that out there too, but I like to carry one of those, and that's the reason why I always carry the travel tuner too. Is a 40 meter dipole. You can use it on 40 meters and of course 15 meters, and then with the tuner you can set it up nice and low for an 80 meter NVIS antenna. So the 40 meter dipole is really not a very long antenna, 35 feet on a leg, so it sets up easy in a campsite like this. Works good. You can use it for an NVIS antenna. It's a nice, if you want to have one wire antenna to carry with you, something like that is probably the one that you're going to want. Well, that's it for my portable HF kit. Do you carry a portable HF kit? Do you see anything that I'm missing out? I'd love to hear your questions and comments, so please leave them in the video comments below. Maybe we'll follow up on them on our next Your Questions Answered video. For more articles and information, be sure to check out my blog at www.jpole-antenna.com. Your support of this channel drives the production of future videos, so if you like this video, give me that big thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that are suggested just alongside here also, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Pressing subscribe and the little bell notification will inform you when new videos are released. Well, that's it for this week. I'm Michael, KB9VBR. Have a great day, and 73.